Guys, what's up? It's NoyTebs here. So again guys, today we're going to do a unboxing this LED light from Neewer. And again, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be notified if I have a new video uploaded on my channel. Let's get started. So there you go guys, so I have here a LED light from Neewer. It comes with two LED lights on this, and two stands. I have a stand here. So basically I already used one in front of me, and today we're just do a unboxing this one, just to show you how it looks like, the 480 LED light from Neewer. Okay, so let's begin. I'm so excited guys because I've been waiting for this for about like a week. So I didn't have it close here, but anyway, I don't have it here, but finally done. So there you go. I'm so excited again guys. What's in here? We'll see. Ta-da! Whoops! Wow, nice one. Okay, I don't need you. So beautiful. We have a beautiful case here, and again, if you go for travel, you can use this case. And that's one thing I like on this one, because they have their own case of each LED lights. So now we have to open this one here. They have a Velcro. And nice. Oh, they have the gel. I don't need that one. What is this? Dear customers, I'm tired to read that one. And they have this one here. So there you go. Wow. So again, on this one, on the back of the LED, they have a digital, and they have a for battery, and they have also for the battery, and then they have the switch here, where you're going to. One is the switch for power for AC, and then the other one is for the battery. Nice. And then the knob is so digital here. Nice one. And then they have a where you're gonna put your power. Okay, so then they have the power cord. They have a it comes with a power supply. Nice. It's beautiful. They have a you can put your stuff, then it won't keep on moving. It's gonna be permanently there. I'll just put this one on the side. So basically guys, I watched some other vloggers that they have this one, and their problem was because they have a they have window on this. They have the window where you're going to, spot or whatever you want to. And then inside on this one here, they have a diffuser where you can take your diffuser out. So I'm just excited here. I'm just using my LED, and then yeah. So again, it's so hard if you have this metal plate on the front. It's kind of hard to take the it's so tricky to take the diffuser out, because you don't have any it's kind of hard for you to take it out. But anyhow, I think what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna use excuse me again, I'm gonna use this one to take this one out. just to show you the LED here. That's why I'm taking out. There you go. So we can take this one out for a moment. And then what we're going to do is we're going to slide this one to take it. And again, the LED in here, they have white and yellow on the LEDs here. So there are 480 LEDs here on this. And again, it's a white, yellow, white, yellow, white, yellow, white, yellow. That's their interval on this one here. And again, it's two. I think the settings that I have here right now, it's 50% or 45% bright, and then I put 400. What is that? 400 something. 4,000 something. I think the lumen on that one. But again, basically, it's I just bought this one for about $129. It's not bad, Canadian. It's not bad. It's already cheap. That's why I go through. I order this one because it's already cheap, and I can use this one for my studio here, for my other channel, my NoyTebs blog, and for my What's in a Box. Okay, so at the moment, I'm not gonna put this one installed right now, but again, I'm gonna show you the one that it's working right now. But before that, I have to show you the tripod that we have, because it comes with a tripod. So each unit, they have their own tripod, and nice, sweet. Yes, so there you go. And they have a lock here so that it will open there. Then if it's already stable, I'll just put this away. And then if it's stable already, then put that one. So basically, some people are complaining about the how to install with the cover here. So basically, if you have a problem on how to install it, how to install that the cover plate, or I'm gonna put it back. It's gonna be easy for you to explain. It's gonna be quick. Okay, so people are keep on complaining. How about if they're going to, if this one is open, right? So how they gonna close that one? Because it's gonna be ding, ding, ding here, right? So on how to install that one, that you can put incline, or if you're gonna tilt that way, because you can't tilt it because of this plate here. All you have to do is to install this one. Is to install the install this that way, and you can tilt it that way. So basically, that's what happened on my other light here, because I have a hard time to install it, because I need to incline a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna move some other stuff here. Okay, so what I did on that one, on that installation, I have to incline it this way. That's what you got to do, just to incline that one, because there's two holes, right? So there's another hole here, plus there's another hole on the other side. So all you have to do is to incline that one and lock it. You can lock, and then all you have to do is to whatever you want to. So now it doesn't touch on this one here, right? So if you are already okay with the if you're already happy of your setup, all you have to do is to all you have to do is to so So there you go. So if you're happy, if you want to incline that way, you can do it. So it won't touch the bracket here, right? So it's gonna be nice. So okay. So that's about it, and I'm gonna turn on this light here. We'll see if how it is. Okay, I'll be right back. So there you go, guys. So again, 2 lights is already here right now. The other one, it's white, and then the other one, it's a little bit yellow color right now that I put it in. But again, they are same 50%. The percentage of the light, it's so bright actually. This is 50%, but it's so bright. And again, we can try to turn off. We're gonna try to turn off one of the lights, or 1 or 2 of the lights here. So this is the yellow one, and then I'm gonna turn on the white. So again, we're gonna turn off the other one. So this is the white, and then again, we need to. All I have to do now is to try to keep on trying the right balance of the color, so it's gonna be nice to look at it on your camera. So, but again, nice ones. I like it. Again, for the price of, I'll just turn it on back. It's so neat. I like it. I like their product. I like this product right now. So, but again, guys, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and give some thumbs up there. So, thank you so much again for watching. This is NoyTebs. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much, guys.